I'd like to thank the Journal of School Psychology and the Society for the Study of School Psychology for honoring us with the Article of the Year award. The award is being bestowed on a study that was funded by the Institute of Educational Sciences. It's a study that investigated the efficacy of conjoint behavioral consultation, an intervention that brings parents and teachers together to serve as partners on behalf of children's learning and development. This line of work, conjoint behavioral consultation, has been demonstrated to be effective in many studies over the years. This particular study is the first to look at the efficacy of the intervention in rural communities. We know an awful lot about rural communities and the strengths and challenges that present themselves when children are educated in rural schools. This study was the first to really look at ways to bring families to the table when it comes to supporting the children with learning, behavioral, and social-emotional problems. The conjoint behavioral consultation intervention is one wherein we bring families and teachers together with the support of a consultant to identify the concerns facing children, explore conditions in the environment that might be contributing to the challenges that students are experiencing, allow parents and teachers to co-create meaningful plans to support their children across the home and school contexts, and then to come back and evaluate the plans and determine whether or not the goals for students are being met. In this study, we identified ways to support 267 students by working with 152 teachers in 45 schools. We also found that the relationship between parents and teachers was much improved when we were able to work in a very collaborative, problem-solving way. In fact, one of the most important findings of this study is that the relationship between parents and teachers actually served to provide what it took to really increase the students' performance. That is, the relationship was the mechanism or the active ingredient by which this collaborative process served to support students. We're learning an awful lot about this intervention, what works to support children within the natural classroom environment, how it supports their learning and behavior, how it influences the parents and teachers that support children, how it strengthens their relationship, and now how it works, that is the mechanism by which that relationship between parents and teachers is the driving force. What's exciting too is that now we're learning that it can be very effective not only in urban and suburban schools, but in rural communities where resources tend to be very strapped. So we're excited about this study. We're excited about the award. We very much appreciate the support that we've been given by the Journal of School Psychology and JSP. And we would like to express our appreciation to all those involved. On behalf of my co-authors and collaborators, again, we thank you.